Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Vaswati. Today's topic is doodle. This is a drawing topic. Let's see. If you are interested in drawing, sketching, and art, then you should do this because there are many benefits of doodling in artwork. This is the basic point in the artwork. You should know about it. What is doodle work? You will draw anything on a notebook and paper without focusing on detailed work. Slowly, your freehand artwork will improve. To draw anything, then you realize which is an amazing. If you are doing doodle work in a first day, you you realize it's poor, but if you do daily, then you realize it's amazing. This is doodle work. You can see there are many things like man, tree, another man, queen, many things. Let's see advantage of doodle work. Help in style development, enhance creativity, improve memory drawing, improve focus. If you want to develop our style, then you should do this. There are some points that you should ignore from doing doodle work. Do not focus on a specific material, use any material. Don't decide on a particular place to draw. Draw anywhere and anytime. The most important point is doodle, think creative, and use anything. You can make creative things, use anything. This is doodle. Thank you so much.